Hi everybody, we'll have another demo. So today we'll explore what factors predict whether a product is recommended. And our Y is the factor recommended, 1 for yes, 0 no. And we'll pick rating, age, and positive feedback count as today's sample independent variables. So you can always go ahead to RegressionPal.com to run this. So we'll upload women's clothing CSV file. And since we're dealing with logistic regression, so we'll choose logistic for now. We'll just skip the selection. We'll choose the binary variable recommended, age, rating, positive feedback count for independent variable. For reference category, we'll leave it at that, 1, and 5 for rating. The higher the number, the higher the rating. So let's see. So once you go to this dashboard, you'll see the total observations, the outliers for each variable that you've chosen, the missing data, the distributions. So there are many issues here. But remember, this is just a sample. You also have correlation matrix in the correlation tab. And finally, recommendations is very important because it'll give you suggestions. What's the issue? So for here, age, there are many outliers. For now, we'll try to skip this. And then for positive feedback, consider removing. For now, we'll just Winsorize. Again, this is just a sample. Continue to data preview. And here you will see some issues again, so they will give recommendation. What's good here is you can just click if you want, remove if you want, but will not remove, and then just click run analysis, and that's it. And we'll wait for the result. So I'm not speeding up. This is just how fast the program analyzes the 23,000 row data. We'll wait. And 90%. Oh, come on. I'm so close. And there you have it. You will see the summary for a free trial. Remember, your data never passes through LLMs. All results are generated using fixed statistical algorithms, so don't copy them. Please add your context. So if you're a free trial, you'll see snippets. But free table, of course. And if you're a first-time user, you can download complete results. For now, we'll go ahead and download that. You'll see in the zip plots, scripts, reports, and tables. What's really important here is the report because it contains all the summary. We modeled recommended as a function of age. That's correct. The assumptions here, the formula, the results. Okay. For main effects, you'll see age was significantly associated with the odds. So it just means as age increases, items are less likely to be recommended. In other words, older customers are more likely to recommend the product. Rating was not significant. Positive feedback. As positive feedback increases, items are more likely to be recommended, which is odd, right? But of course, I'm not going to analyze it. But for those who might already have an understanding of that, then you go ahead and analyze that. And if you scroll through, you'll see all of the tables, the raw models, etc. The plots that are relevant to this test, to this regression type. And it's okay if you don't like the plot, the size, because you can adjust it. In the zip folder, you'll see, the R script that was used to generate your results. So you'll see the packages there that was used, data loading, data cleaning, model fitting, post-diagnostics, all of that are there. Table generation, you can adjust the tables. And of course, what's important is plot generation. You might want to change the color and the size. That's it. And if you're ready, you can just go back, click app, and you're back to square one. That's it.